Heddiw, dyn ni'n mynd i edrych ar y gair yma. Hw. Hyd.
Hyn.
Hyd.
Hyd.
Hyd a hyd. Same word, ar y glist, sounds the same, ond different meanings and different spelling.
Ooh, this could be very confusing.
Very exciting.
Yeah, exciting. Yeah, cyffroes, okay.
O'r gorau.
Hyd.
Hyd. Reit. Yr enghraifft gyntaf iawn, first example, ydy, we're talking about length or distance, iawn, felly drych ar rhain. So we say ar hyd, iawn, so dwi'n mynd ar hyd y ffordd.
On the way.
Along.
Along the
iawn,
way.
Ar hyd y ffordd, iawn, ar
Okay.
hyd, along. Wedyn, hyd at, iawn, so hyd at 3 o'r gloch, up to 3 o'clock, neu hyd at yr wal, yeah, up to.
Okay.
Iawn. Hyd braich.
Arm's length.
Iawn. So distance or length. Iawn.
Okay.
Arm's length. So hyd a lled.
A length.
And
Width.
width. So the length and breadth of things. Yeah. So tell me what
Length
it's all
and
about.
breadth.
Yeah. Have you never heard that?
I've never heard of that before.
No. Yn Saesneg.
Nah.
Well, yn Gymraeg, you'd say, dyma hyd a lled y peth. This is
Okay.
all you need to know.
This is all I need to know, okay.
Ac wedyn, hyd y gwni,
Hyd y gwni.
as far as I know.
As far as I know.
Yeah. Hyd y gwni.
Hyd y gwni.
Yeah, as far as I know.
As far as I know.
Matt, wyt ti yn dod i'r cinema nos fory?
Wel, hyd y gwni, falle.
Dau arall. Hyd yn oed.
Times, that's an
Even.
Even.
Completely random then. It's nothing to do with length or time. Just even. So, even John was there.
Oh, not like even balance.
Oh, no, not like that.
Oh, okay.
As in...
Even John was there?
Oedd hyd yn oed John yna.
Oh, hyd yn oed John yna. Okay. Hyd yn lledrith.
Hyd a lledrith.
Is that milk?
No, llefrith is milk.
Close though, isn't it?
Close.
That was
good.
close.
I like that.
Yeah.
Hyd a lledrith ydy magic.
Ooh.
It's good, yndi?
Hyd y lledrith.
Hyd a lledrith.
Hyd y lledrith. Magic. Okay.
Yeah?
I wish I could magically learn all of this.
Or
It's
magically
quite
make me
difficult, isn't it?
disappear.
It's just confusing me. I hope it's confusing
Yeah,
you
ma' 'na
too.
lot o
because
bethe bach yn does?
Yeah, it's thrown me off a
So,
bit.
dyna pam weithiau people say, oh, Nia, what does hyd mean? And you go,
A lot.
about 20 minutes.
Really?
Because it, you know, when you put it with other words, it changes its meaning slightly.
Okay.
Yeah?